Welcome! In front of me I have Acme ACT304 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this smartband from the iPhone. First, we need to open the VeryFit Pro application on the iPhone that is paired with our smartband. In the app, we need to tap on the device icon, and now you should see the device page for your ACT304. On this page, tap on the Unbind option, then tap on Unbind to confirm. Now we can tap on Confirm, close the app, open the settings on our iPhone, and settings tap on Bluetooth, find the ACT304 on the list of my devices, tap on the info icon next to it, tap on Forget this device, and tap on Forget device to confirm. And the smartband should disappear from the list of my devices. It should be right here. This means that the device is unpaired from your iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.